this now for about, I would say, over a year, if I'm not mistaken. And I think, well, what I will say for sure is that it has gotten better with time, and my experience with it has gotten so much more easy and streamlined as well. So submitting bids is a very easy process. What I love to do is set up sort of like a questionnaire and then tailor my responses based on the type of opportunity it is, the type of company that I'm speaking to. So, you know, when you get a bid, you open it up, you learn a little bit about the opportunity, and then you go ahead and submit your responses. And sometimes, even with the questionnaire, you have to adapt. You have to be able to find, okay, you know what? This is what I want to say to this RFP. This is what I want to say to this RFP. Because if you are just that stagnant, it's probably not going to work. You do have to be a little bit flexible. But I have submitted bids, and I have created some really unique connections through the software as well. And the team at Marcus Evans has also been tremendous to work with. So.